Gradually, even when the staff didn't wear the kangaroo costume, it was no longer afraid of people and often liked to hug their legs. It also particularly enjoyed playing boxing with the staff. As time went by, the baby kangaroo grew up and became strong enough to survive in the wild on its own. The staff then decided to release it back into the wild, but it looked at them in disbelief as they left. The next day, it actually ran back on its own and even knocked on the staff's window. If it were you, would you take the kangaroo back in?